Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are continuing our beginners tutorial series. This is another part uh, in the Ghanaian local style play. We have the Adadam. When my teacher taught me some few chords in the Adadam. We have the F6. So F6 and G-Diminished. I'm not going to teach G-Diminished chords in this tutorial, but I'll just give you the G-Diminished chord and how it's found in this one and how it's used in the Adadam style. So S's, just like you have F. In this case, you're just going to keep your index finger on the first string rather and put the pinky on the second string on the third fret. So you can look on the screen and look at the chord diagram, chord chart. So this is the F6. So we don't usually play like that. It sounds more like D minor. So you see, I was picking two strings at the same time. I can use it to play the major scale do re mi fa sol la ti do, but I need the G diminished as well. So the G diminished is played this way. So you see the index finger on the fourth string, second fret, middle finger, second string, second fret, ring finger, third string, third fret, pinky, first string, third fret. So that's the G diminished. So if I plug the third and the first, so mostly we plug some two strings at the same time. So the third usually goes with the first and the second goes with the fourth. Sometimes the third with the fourth. Okay, so the F6. I'm plugging the first and the third string. So F6, G diminished. So that's it for these chords, and they are mostly used in the Adadam style, like amponsah. So that's it for the Adadam style. Thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to subscribe, give a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.